Welcome back to another episode of Kitchen Boss. In this episode, we're going to get to deal with this. So it's about 7 a.m. I reach over for my phone as normal and I check my texts, and my father-in-law works night shift and he sent me a text message that said, I hate to send bad juju this morning, but this is what we got.
I think something shorted out. Man. What happened? Man, look at the smoke. I'm glad I didn't get electrocuted. On today's episode of Kitchen Boss, how to fry the father-in-law.
What do you think, guys? Think this was safe? I don't think so. Emergency call. Emergency call. Make line. What happened to it?
The cord got, water came in and got on the cord and fried it.
Uh-oh. All right, let me see here. What do we got? All right, here comes the moment of truth, Travis. What are we gonna do? You have to find their circuit breaker.
Here. Is that one?
If it catches on fire, we know Larry did it wrong. No, you have to turn the circuit breaker.
Is that on the side?
You hear it?
It's that.
Oh, wait. You hear it?
The lights ain't on. There's usually a light on in there.
There it goes, Trav.
Yeah, now we got it.
You did it. 7 a.m.
Well, you told me never.
Oh, no, I'm up. I'm
You
up.
said never before 7. I made that mistake once.
I seen smoke come out.
The day he come in, he goes, don't ever call me before 7 o'clock.